You want to be right here on the map. Ches Porter, right there, that spot. You can pretty much do this as soon as you're allowed to free roam. So come all the way out. It's quite far up on the map. And if you can't see this on the map yet, just head straight up there anyway. Just set a marker for roughly where it looks, and you'll get there. Now, unfortunately, when you get here, there is a little bit of trouble. So we're going to take care of the little bit of trouble really quickly. So I'll be with you in a second. We'll show you exactly where the pump action shotgun is. Now, the shotgun is in this cabin, the first one on the right. After you want to loot around the barn, loot around your other house as well. Now, it is on the door on the left, but I went to the door on the right just to loot a little bit first. Yeah, you definitely want to loot the whole place before you go to get the shotgun. This is about, it was over $100 here, at least. So we're back the way out. So you can loot this place, the whole place. So as I said, cabin on the right as soon as you get here. It is this door over here, so door on the left as soon as you walk in. You'll see a set of stairs, of course. Sorry, a set of stairs. It's a ladder. It's a ladder. Of course, you can loot everything you want. Just looting this guy real quick. Then we're going to head up here. And you'll see the pump action shotgun for free in this box. Again, you can do this as soon as you're allowed to free roam in this game. And there it is right there. Now it is in poor condition, so you want to clean it up. And we're going to test it outside real quick. As you can see, it comes with a bunch of bullets. 58 bullets altogether. That has a LOTS 5, 53 in reserve. You do want to clean her up real quick. So we're going to clean it first of all. Get it back in good condition. It's in crap condition when you first get it. It's a beautiful gun. Again, right off the bat, you get this pretty much when you're allowed to free roam. Ooh. Yeah, I like this. Let's fire one in the air and see what happens. Doom. That's a lovely sound, but there you go. That's how you get the shotgun for free. Pretty much the start of the game.